So, with that being said...
So what year is this 430?
07.
This is an 07 430? Is there anything underneath the dash that looked like it was pulled on or anything?
No, there's no like open connectors or anything.
Nothing? Okay. And I was looking down by the gearbox and everything.
And the F1 pump's over here, but obviously he drove it here.
It drove great. Yeah. I've driven plenty of these. I've had 3 of them in the past 2 months.
Oh wow, they got the carpet on this one.
Well, we already explained if you had a difficulty what it would be.
So I'll talk to
in it.
My tech support today. See if it's like a software issue on our end or
this. You think it's got the original manifolds, doesn't it? Because you've got the heat shields down there. Usually that means it's got the original manifolds.
I don't see anything, you know.
Yeah, it's got the
out of the ordinary.
Everybody worries about too. They say they all crap out.
That's typically on the older stuff though. These are pretty.
These were good.
These are pretty good.
All right.
Like the 355s. You kind of want to stay away from
the
those
F1.
cars.
I've got a customer with one of those. It was the last 100 they built
Of the
355s.
Oh, the 99s.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had the bugs fixed out of those cars, but like you get like the first year, the 95, the open car. Yeah. That was an issue. The 96, 97, they had header problems and fuel lines would bust.
Well, see, he's in the hospital right now, and his wife is calling us trying to get us to buy it because they don't. It's a real gain in 6-speed.
Oh wow!
It's like 10,000 miles. He bought it 14 years ago from us, I think it was. And I mean, he's a second owner. What would that be? 14? Yeah, that's probably about right.
14 years.
See,
Oh
right
my!
there, miles.
100 miles. He's got like 50 cars. That's just the one we really want for him.
That thing's due for a major.
Oh yeah, that's a
Yeah.
now too.
Yeah. So, unfortunately,
Well, give me a shout later on.
I'll find out on Nick's Ford Ferrari today and see if it's a software issue. Because I can get right into that. So, but it's weird. I can still answer.
Oh yeah, you can't get into your box.
So,
Well, let's hope it's a software issue
I mean, it sounds like it.
instead of a wiring issue.
Well, yeah, because otherwise, if you had a wiring issue, you'd probably have a power issue to the computer. You wouldn't be driving it.
Right. Well, you know, there could be some of things, you know, where it doesn't communicate, but everything still functions. You know.
That's crazy since that car was around the brakes on it, too. That's
Yeah,
a
that big, when you start looking at those real long brake calipers, that's a dead giveaway.
Yep.
You
So
know.
you say you like to buy Bentleys?
I love Bentleys.
You do?
It's not that. No, I love.
I seen you had a
And-
GTC single picture of. Is it something you're selling or you guys
We had a tour before we bought it.
Oh, okay.
We have,
Local customer?
Yeah, she's selling it.
do you sell the Super Sports or the Flying Spurs or the GTs?
We do more GTs than anything.
Do you?
Super sport conversion. Yeah, she doesn't like anything that's not at least 300 grand.
That's
Oh,
cool.
she's the one that bought this 550 squares?
She got a 550 square.
Okay.
She's got that. She bought the brand new Huracan, traded that into it.
And you actually,
25 days into it. She's not a pleasure, but all she got.
what a small world. You sold that white Rolls too. That's cool.
Yeah, I met him through my insurance agent.
That's really cool.
It's so weird how you meet people.
That
and
you ended up helping
doing-
them and everything.
Oh yeah, I had the shipping, I paid for it, and then we got the car here, and he was ecstatic.
That's great.
When is this car leaving?